I'll treat you to a defeat so sweet it'll completely delete your conceit. You just take a seat and let your heartbeats deplete. Your life's just eat, excrete, and repeat. I heard that you were obsolete under the sheets and that your meat is petite, cause your exes weren't discreet. But is that why they cheat? Let's check the receipts. Your first girl got a mucus on your best friend Lucas. In case you got amnesia, your second girl Felicia, who was no Mona Lisa, tried by all means to get in my jeans on Jerry's trampoline. And then for Sam you had to thank me, cause I said scram when she said spank me. Looking like an albino gorilla from the Congo, she wanted me to hit that honey like a booty bongo. And you acted like you won the lotto when I said no to a Guanajuato. So you should consider me your hero, cause I gave you my sloppy zero. Then Gabby tried to bite me and invite me to a strip show. She wanted a threesome, but to that combo I wasn't slow to say no. Then right away she let you go. Not enough dough or blow to stay a Romeo, and that's all I know about your grody ho rodeo. The worst thing I did behind your back was refuse your girl's advances. Your own mom thought I was a snack and tried to take her chances. But mocking my child sure riled my final nerve, adding fuel to the cruelty that you know you deserve. It must be hell to dwell in jealousy, cause in every way you fell to me. My barbell holding 550, my own house, a wife, a family. Never beat me in DBZ, Tenkaichi 3. Tell us who really earns your every platinum trophy. People ask if it's like a slap in the face when you're acting so rude. I tell them no matter what happens I'll be okay. No matter what happens he's screwed. We even made it our mission to ease your condition, and tried to help you so hard for years. Now we'll fill the graveyard with cheers. Now that I'm done showing you a real brag, 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 and knowing a Samoan might be going in a body bag. Unless I can inspire your priorities, you might expire prior to your 40s. Until you drop the meth, you're a breath away from death. You could get oceans of promotions and a wife. All you gotta do is arrange some changes in your life. Take this rhyme as a sign that it's time to grow a spine. You won't pay a dime on a fine, cause at crime you'll draw the line. Being buried and never getting married is scary, but the only one that can save you now is you, it's just you, Harry. You, it's just you, Harry. When all of the noise in your noggin is lie after lie, it's like drinking poison and expecting someone else to die.